In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 17 developer beta on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. Before I show you the process, make sure that you are connected to internet. Also, make sure to back up the data that is present on your phone. If anything goes wrong, you can easily restore the backup. Now let's begin with the process. The very first step is to click the link given in the description of the video. It will take you to this page. This is the detailed guide on how to download iOS 17 developer beta. Here you have to visit the second step, which says developer.apple.com. Just tap on this. Now it will take you to this page. Now tap on the menu. Go to account. Log in with the Apple ID that is present on your smartphone. Also make sure that you have an Apple developer account. Now once you logged in, it says this program license agreement has been updated. Just tap on review agreement. Agree to the agreement. And now once you have logged in to your developer account and accept the terms and condition, go to settings on your iPhone. Go to general. Go to software update, tap on beta updates. Here you can see a new option of iOS 17 developer beta. Just tap on this and boom. Now you can see that iOS 17 developer beta is available for download on your iPhone. Tap on download and install. Enter the password of your iPhone. And this will begin downloading iOS 17 on your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.